Hello and welcome back to part 2 of my Godot tiles tutorial. In this video I will spawn the tiles from the last video and fit the puzzle into the viewport. First I get a reference to the tiles container. And preload the tiles scene when the level starts to be able to instantiate it. When the level starts, I call the spawn tiles method. This method instantiates the tile scene, initializes the sprite with the current image texture, and adds the tile as a child to the tiles container. As you can see, the tile appears in the top left window corner and I'm still able to click on it. The tile is way too small, of course, so the next thing I will focus on is resizing the tile to fit the screen. For that, I need two variables for the tile size and the image scale. Before spawning the tile, I get the viewport size, Now I'm able to calculate the image width so that the tiles take up 95% of the viewport width. After that, I can calculate the final tile size by multiplying the image size with the image scale and rounding down. That way there will be no subpixels when rendering the tiles. With these values I can edit the sprite of my tile instance and set the scale to the image scale. After that, I have to update the collision shape to D so that it matches with the sprite scale to be able to still click on the tile. You can also find the extents values in the inspector. Now the sprite gets scaled properly, but its origin is still in the top left corner. To fix this, I have to move the tiles container by half of the image size. Because I need the scale image size now on multiple locations, I create a separate variable for it. Then I store the center of the viewport, and the offset based on the calculated image scale, and set the position of the tiles container to the center of the viewport minus the offset. Now our single tile uses 95% of the viewport width and is centered on the screen. In the next video, I will take care that we can load a grid of tiles and set the grid subdivisions. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye.